Hi, I'm Cole with Taxidermy University, and today's tip has to do with skin pull around the antler burr. No matter how hard we watch them, every now and then we'll get a skin that pulls away from that antler burr a little bit, and we just really need an easy, quick way to hide that. So one way to correct that I have found is to just take a piece of scissors, and on the back of the mount, where it goes up against the wall and it's not going to show, I will actually trim just a little bit of hair. And then I will use a white glue. I prefer the tacky glue because it is a little bit softer, has a little bit of flexibility to it. And I will really try to pack that glue down into those hairs. And I really try to pack that down into each one of those hairs. That way it glues them all together, and I have a nice little ball of glue on the top of it that will glue really well up against my skull plate. And then I will simply take that, place it in there, and it blends very, very nicely. So obviously if you're doing this for a competition, you would want to babysit that really well and make sure that that doesn't happen. And if it did pull, I would almost suggest rehydrating that and correcting it. But for a commercial mount, this little fix that we did right here, the customer will never see it. It looks just fine. It'll hang on their wall for years and never be a problem. So just a quick, easy fix for a common problem. I'm Cole with Taxidermy University, and thanks for watching.